What's up guys, I'm James and welcome back to the Great Gambino channel. About a year ago I came up with a strange idea to try out this combination of two of my favorite treats, and I was surprised to find out how well they paired together, creating a sweet, crunchy frozen confection. It's super fast, easy to do, and delicious. All you're going to need for this refreshing delicacy is some fruit roll-ups and your favorite popsicles. Let's get into it. Get your fruit roll-up ready, take your pop, and you're going to need to stretch the roll-up, wrapping it around the pop, sealing it together with light pressure. Also, when you're doing this, you'll have to work somewhat fast because it's going to harden really quick, and once that happens, it's going to crack if you pull it anymore. You want to round off the fruit roll-up, sealing it as best as you can around the base and top of the popsicle. This will give it a more secure grip so the candy shell doesn't fall apart after one bite. Now keep in mind, you're going to want to wash your hands before to eliminate germs and afterward because you will get sticky making these, but I promise it will definitely be worth it. And there we have it. In just a couple seconds, they're good to go. And the fruit roll-ups will be transformed into a crunchy candy coating that's ready for a taste test. Let's go ahead and get a bite on camera. You can see in this shot it creates a coating that's easy to bite into and kind of reminds me of the cherry dip shells available at Dairy Queen. In my opinion, it makes this sweet treat much more enjoyable. If you guys and gals do end up trying this, make sure to let me know what you thought in the comments section. I'm really interested to find out if anyone else loves this combination as much as I do. Alright, that's gonna wrap up this video. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one.